How to upload videos to YouTube from iPhone. I've had a lot of requests on this channel from iPhone users wanting to see a step-by-step process of how to upload a video to YouTube using their iPhone and optimize it correctly so it ranks in search and gets you lots of views. So let's not waste another second and get right into it. Open up the YouTube app on your phone, and then in the top right, click on the video camera with the plus button. We're going to select video on the left-hand side. This will open up your media. Select the video that you would like to upload to your YouTube channel. Then you're going to have this pop up where you can choose how you would like to trim your video. So you can trim from the beginning or trim from the end or cut pieces out of your video. We're going to show you how to trim some of the video from the end of your video. You grab the right hand side and slide it across, and that'll trim the video for you. Then you can click on the magic wand and choose a little edit. It's like a filter on top of your video. We're going to go with pop. Then you can click next. Now we're going to add some details to your video. So we're going to add the title of your video. We're going to call this how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is the milestone that all YouTube channels need to get to in order to start monetizing your YouTube channel. Luckily for you guys, we've created an online course to help you with this process. So if you're just starting out on YouTube and you want to grow your audience and get your channel to that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, we have a course, and the link is in the description below. You can go and click on that and join our YouTube 1000 course. We're also going to type out the link in the description here. It is dmwithkarl.teachable.com/p/YouTube-1000. So once you've finished completing your description here, we're going to make the privacy of this video unlisted. And the reason why we want it unlisted is so that we can still make some changes to add the video to some playlists, to update the keywords, the metadata of the video, and also update the custom thumbnail before the video goes live. One more time, there's the link for you, dmwithkarl.teachable.com/p/YouTube-1000 if you want to have a look at that online course. Don't forget to change your video to unlisted before we click on that upload button in the top right hand side. Your video will now start uploading. It will take a while to process the upload, so make sure you stay on the screen and don't get impatient and go away. Once your video has finished uploading, it will disappear from your list of videos. This is because we set it as unlisted. I want you to go out of your YouTube app and go into the YouTube Studio app. This is where a lot of people get stuck and don't know where to go from here when they're uploading the video. So make sure you go out of your YouTube app and then into the YouTube Studio app. Refresh your app and you will see your new upload come up. We can click on that video, and then we're going to click on the pencil in the top right hand side to edit your video. We're going to click in the middle, edit thumbnail, and we're going to upload a custom thumbnail. You can choose this from our photos. Make sure you've prepared a custom thumbnail for your video. Select the picture that you want to use as your thumbnail. Then we can go back and we're going to add the video to some playlists. So we're going to choose 3 of our playlists to add this video to. Then we're going to go back and we're going to add some keyword tags to our video. This is really important, and you have to be in YouTube Studio to be able to add these tags. So at the bottom, we're going to click in the tag section and start typing the keyword tags that we want to use for this video. So the title that we used for the video is how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the one that we have the online course for. So if you want to check out that online course, check the link in the description below. Then a lot of people get stuck here because they don't know where the comma is on the iPhone, so this doesn't come up on the keypad. So there are 2 solutions for this. You can scroll back up to your description and click in the description. This will then add the keyword, and you can click back under the tags and add another keyword. An easier solution for this is to, once you've finished entering your next keyword, hit the return on the keypad, and that'll let you go into your next keyword. But you have to click back in for the cursor and add your third, fourth, and fifth keywords that you want for your video on YouTube. Once you've finished adding all of the keywords that you want for your video, we're going to click in the top middle where the $ is to monetize our video. Remember, you need the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to enable monetization, and that's what our course teaches you. The last tab allows you to change the category and the licensing rights. Then the last thing I want you to do, once you're happy with everything, is change the privacy to public so that your video can go live, and then click save. Now you can check that your video has gone live and you've uploaded your video from your iPhone. If you don't click on this save changes, if you just go back to the edit video page, you're going to lose all the changes that you've made. So make sure that before you've finished, you click on the save button and your video updates. Here at DMwithKarl, we help you start and grow your audience on YouTube. If you're interested in learning more about getting started on YouTube, you can check out the link in the description below to our online course that helps you get started building your audience and get you to that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. We hope this video helped you. If you have any other questions about how to do YouTube on your iPhone, let us know in the comment section below what kind of video you'd like us to create, and we'll create a video specifically for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. We'll see you in the next video.